Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tessa Amelia. I come from Med Education Class D. Okay, I will present about how to use media relationship between mathematical angles Huban-Suka. Relationship between mathematical angles, or abbreviated as Huban-Suka. Huban-Suka media is one of the mathematics learning media used to prove the relationship between the corners of mathematics. The angle that will be proven from the Huban-Suka media are the angle that are formed if there are two parallel lines that are cut by another line, namely the one facing angle, one side angle, opposite corner, and opposite angle. The components contained in the Huban-Suka media are 1. A board with two parallel lines cut by another line. 2. Model X, which will be used to determine the relationship between opposing angles. 3. Model F, which will be used to determine the relationship between the angles facing. 4. Model Z, which will be used to determine the relationship between the opposite corner. 5. Model C, which will be used to prove the magnitude of the one-side angle. Step in using Huban-Suka props. First, Model X. Model X is used to determine the relationship between two opposing angles. First, take the X model and attach it to the Huban-Suka board using a pin. Place the model so that the line on the model and the Huban-Suka board coincide. Pay attention to the names of the angle on the model. Angles A1, A2, A3, and A4. Then, rotate the X model by 180 degrees, clockwise or counterclockwise. The line on the X model coincides with the existing line with the board, so that the corner previously occupied by corner A1 is now occupied by corner A3, which was previously occupied by corner A2 is now occupied by corner A4, which was previously occupied by corner A3 is now occupied by corner A1, previously occupied by corner A4, now occupied by corner A2. Then, we can conclude that two opposite angles have the same angle. Second, Model F. Model F is used to determine the relationship between two facing each other. First, take the F model and attach it to the Huban-Suka board using a pin. Place the model so that the line on the model and the Huban-Suka board overlap. Pay attention to the name of the angle on the model. Angle A1, A2, A3, A4, angle B1, B2, B3, and B4. Then, slide the model F upward so that the black line on the Huban-Suka board coincides again, so that the corner occupied by corner A1 above is now occupied by corner B1 below. The corner occupied by corner A2 above is now occupied by corner B2 below. The corner occupied by corner A3 above is now occupied by corner B3 below. The corner occupied by corner A4 above now occupied by corner B4 below. Then, we can conclude that the angles facing the same angle. Third, model Z. The Z model is used to determine the number of angles that cross each other both inside and across outside. First, here I take the example of the corner opposite the outside. Take the Z model and attach it to the Huban-Suka board using a pin. Place the model so that the line on the model and the Huban-Suka board overlap. Pay attention to the names of the corner on the Z model board: angles A1, A2, A3, and A4, angles B1, B2, B3, and B4. To prove that the angle is opposite outside, consider the angle outside the Z model. We prove that the angle A2 is equal to the angle B4. Then, rotate the Z model clockwise or counterclockwise by 180 degrees until the line on the model coincide again. Then, it will be seen that the angle A2 and the angle B4 are equal. Then, we can conclude that the opposite corners have the same angle. Fourth, model C. Model C is used to determine the number of unilateral angles, both one side and one side outside. First, take the C model and attach it to the Huban-Suka board using a pin. Place the model so that the line on the model and the Huban-Suka board overlap. Pay attention to the names of the corners on the model C: angles A1, A2, A3, A4, angles B1, B2, B3, and B4. We prove that angle A2 and angle B4 are straight angles. Then, rotate model C clockwise or counterclockwise by 180 degrees. It will be seen that angle A2 and angle B4 are straight angles, namely 180 degrees. Then, we can conclude that unilateral angles have the number of angles 180 degrees. Okay, that's all I can say about how to use medial relationship between mathematical angles Huban-Suka. Apologize if they were mistake. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.